Hello, how are you? Okay, I need that you copy in your notebook, please. Date, Thursday, 14th May 2020. Topic, sport. And here is capitalization. Sport. Performance. Write about your favorite sport. Homework. Yes, homework today. Don't worry about that. It's a good homework. Okay, let's create a poster about your favorite sport. You know, poster, this is an example of poster. But in your notebook, it's not necessary that you use other paper. No, in your notebook. Okay, step by step. Paso a paso, step by step. First, you need to plan a poster. Okay, you think, what is your favorite sport? And you design the poster. And then you write sentences about your favorite sport. Yes, you write sentences about your sport. But you can open your book, please, on page 21st, and you can answer these questions, okay? Example, is it a team sport or an individual sport? What equipment do you need? Where do you play? How do you play? Why do you like it? And you create a sport. You draw in the center. For example, I like swimming pool. And you write in this part the sentences about your sport. This is your homework. Is like a small project. And please, you send me the homework, ¿ok? Vamos a hacer el día de hoy un póster. Lo primero, estos son ejemplos de póster. No lo tienes que hacer en una hoja distinta. Los pasos para hacer la tarea son: primero, planeas el póster. Piensas que qué deporte es el favorito. Lo haces una gráfica o como tú lo desees. Después escribes acerca del deporte. ¿Cómo te puedes ayudar? Abres tu página del libro y respondes estas preguntas y las escribes alrededor de tu figura o como tú quieras. It's free. Okay, this is the activity for today. Homework. Okay, bye my students.